Good day and welcome to the extended news analysis. Today we take a closer look at the current political challenges facing the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition or SPLM IO following major change in the transitional government national unity. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Over the past week, the government of South Sudan, led by Salva Kiir Mayardit, announced the removal of all SPLM IO senior officials from their position in the transitional government. This position included senior role in parliament and the cabinet. At the same time, SPLM IO leader and first Vice President Dr. Machar remained in Juba under house arrest with unclear charges. His limited political mobility means he is unable to fully participate in party leadership or in the implementation of the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. In Dr. Machar absence, an interim chairman, Parkour, was appointed within the SPLM-IO structure. The government has stated that it will continue to work with Parkour to carry out the provision of the 2018 peace agreement. However, this decision has left a portion of SPLM-IO members, especially those loyal to Machar, without a direct role in the ongoing peace implementation process. Many grassroots members and local leaders aligned with Machar are now in difficult position. They no longer hold official posts and their influence in political negotiation has been reduced. In addition, some SPLM-IO forces in rural areas and remote regions have not openly endorsed the interim leadership under Parkour. This creates uncertainty about how unified the movement will remain in the month ahead. The 2018 revitalized peace agreement was designed to bring stability after a year of conflict. It required cooperation between the SPLM-IG led by President Kiir and the SPLM-IO led by Dr. Riek Machar. With the recent leadership change and the split in SPLM-IO, political observers have raised concern about whether the peace deal can still function as intended. A peace agreement depends on trust and the participation of all signatories. If one side feels excluded, the overall stability of the deal can be weakened. While the current situation ends, there are still paths that could prevent further political and security challenges. Dialogue between leaders, a renewed conversation between President Kiir and Dr. Riek Machar could help rebuild trust even if they cannot fully reconcile. An agreement to work together on key issues could keep the peace process moving forward. Inclusive internal party discussion. The SPLM-IO could organize internal meetings that bring together members from both the interim leadership and Machar loyalists. This could help prevent further fragmentation and give all members a voice. Regional and international partners including IGAD, the African Union and the United Nations could play a role in encouraging dialogue and ensuring that the peace agreement provisions are respected by all sides. The unity of the SPLM-IO and its ability to work within the peace framework are important for the stability of South Sudan as a whole. If political division widen, it could slow down reform, delay election, and increase tension in areas that have experienced past conflict. The people of South Sudan have lived through decades of hardship and are looking for lasting peace. This is why all parties, government and opposition alike, face strong public pressure to avoid action that could return the country to instability. At this moment, the SPLM-IO is facing one of the most challenging periods in its history. Its leader is under restriction, its senior members have been removed from government, and its internal unity is being tested. The coming week and month will be critical whether the movement can adapt, whether it can find a common path forward, and whether the peace agreement can still will depend on the decision made now by leaders on both sides. For the sake of the people of South Sudan, the hope is that dialogue, patience, and compromise will prevail over division. If this is continue, allowing Dr. Machar to still remain in detention. This can take back South Sudan to civil war that cannot be stopped.